parliamentary monubago abantu bago chibachi wako. Parliament is where every single development ye country ye ko bangu. Umeta anto bakagetinga development ne president yoko enana. Asingincho aba politicians ba abanalibo. Anytime a president yego chagusi okora politicians ba ko Tokyo president pata mtukufu rais baba wa taifa bila wewe tujui tungekuwa wapi. You look very handsome today, tunaomba tafadhali kama inaweza kupendeza roho yako utupatie barabara fulani. Yet those people are talking there na babunge na planning yons pia chipara chons pia kokole rubunge planning yechi nyagitali chons pine vifaa vya nyagitali onye moganeti MRI machine kijauri ego pima kansa goseke birigo. It is done in the budget. Onye moganeti college manga, it is done in the budget. A budget area, the only thing parliament bakonyo nechi proposal korwa se executive nga turochi chitumeku ekero banyo echi propose jiba mago chi karansera bacha kago ji balance ka ba chi para isato ka ba chi para inye oyo tayo bunge tomo akende ekikwale komo ka ena nago chi kikuyu kimani chungwa nyore eyu yosero divert chibese chu ko bago chi kiharu ndindi nyora nyore. Why? Because your member of parliament is never in parliament. As a development yabantu babora bweko bangerwa, he is not there. So meaning his people will get nothing, zero. Erocha koganya CDF we 160 million kegocha yaswa sobo kuruminere yoroche basa reforms chikoniwa na audit report bono bana leo na studio ne file kubasiko some audit report ya last year.
Yes.
You will see bono bana borabu TTC was allocated 39 million shillings no na alengerero borabu TTC. I saw the wonders there. Na agenda obisio mokwerende CDF nkanyora etangi nogo simeke mete ta simeke tu is 500,000. Etangi abagusibo onspi abamba bwate chitangi etangi ya 5,000 liters is 35,000 shillings. Monekero go spend 500,000 on etangi, it's madness. Ekero echo okuagache echo na 1.8 million. Echo 1.8 million can build a whole block. Yechi classroom. Ingabono kenyoro SDA primary ngoagache techo apitula turin yokolema na 1.8 million. This is blatant open corruption. Bono natoteba lende bono lende nere kale cost yobwagachi. Nga kirende gotoka nge company nera kale kuruku Blue Tosha Limited asaba director babere oyo makuru ku Dennis Rosana ni ndakuru ku Teresa Mateni CDF chairman ne CDF secretary bare directors be company eyu na ande bado nabuchi CDF chairman and secretary ba advertise ya tender bamanya koena ne tende ya se company yabo company yabo ya kolegasi bamanya kwe makeli na buboka bagochiko check nge company yabo ya kolegasi yet they are the CDF committee ebwente ko ba independent. Koruabu bamanya kuyaka na chibesa muna bono na ena ne list ye chibesa be yakanete in 2023 na alika alia so mutandao na ande tinda asalia tinda delete post yelia ya kubanga nobo kora anga na ebegete gachitage kaiga nyerusi